Did you know that eating broccoli every day can actually boost your brain power? Incorporating broccoli into your daily diet can lead to some pretty amazing changes in your overall health and well-being. You might be surprised at just how much of a difference it can make. Broccoli is often referred to as a superfood because of its incredible nutritional profile. It's packed with vitamin C and K, fiber, and a host of other essential nutrients that can have a real impact on your health. Eating broccoli daily can improve your digestion in a big way. The fiber in broccoli helps to keep your digestive system running smoothly, which can reduce bloating and discomfort. Broccoli is also amazing for your immune system. It's rich in vitamin C, which is a key player in the production of white blood cells that help fight off infections. Many people notice a big difference in their skin after adding broccoli to their daily diet. The antioxidants and vitamins in broccoli can help to clear up your complexion and give you a healthy glow. Plus, broccoli is a great energy booster. It's rich in iron, which is essential for transporting oxygen to your cells, and that can help you power through even the toughest days. So, how does broccoli work its magic? It's all about the key compounds that it contains. Sulforaphane, for example, is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect your cells from damage. Vitamin C is another key player, helping to support your immune system and overall health. Broccoli is also a rich source of other essential nutrients like fiber, vitamin K, and potassium, all of which work together to support your overall well-being. The combination of these nutrients can lead to some pretty rapid improvements in your health, which is why so many people swear by broccoli as a daily staple. It's worth noting that many health experts and nutritionists are huge fans of broccoli. In fact, it's often recommended as a key part of a healthy diet. The consensus is clear. Broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse that can have a real impact on your health. So, what can you expect from eating broccoli daily? The benefits are pretty impressive. Improved digestion, enhanced immunity, better skin, and increased energy. It's a simple addition to your daily diet that can have a profound impact on your overall health and well-being. If you're looking to make a positive change in your life, incorporating broccoli into your daily diet is a great place to start. Give it a try and see how you feel. And don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. If you want more health tips and advice, be sure to subscribe for more content like this.